Good morning, class. Welcome back to our science class. Okay, this is teacher LM, and I am here to wish you happy Wednesday. Okay, so last time, class, we learned about the five senses. Okay, so the five senses are sense of hear, sense of sight, sense of touch, sense of smell, and sense of taste. So this morning class, we are going to learn a new lesson. Okay, so we are going to learn about soil. So soil is made up of withered rocks, air, and water and organic matter. So if you look at this picture, this is the soil, but this soil is made of rocks, air, water, and organic matter. Organic matter class are leaves, decaying fruits, and vegetables, which is decayed in the soil. So that is the soil, okay? Soil is made up of withered rocks, air, and water, and organic matter. Now let's try to familiarize what are the layers of soil class, okay? So again, soil layers. So in the soil, there are five layers. The first one is humus, second is topsoil, third is subsoil, fourth is withered rock fragments, and the fifth one is the bedrock. Okay? Again, the first layer of the soil is humus. Humus, it is the topmost layer of soil. This layer is thin and very dark in color. So as what you see here in the picture, here, this part here is the humus. Okay, this is the very dark part color of the soil that we see in the ground. Okay, that is humus. The second part of the soil layer is topsoil. So topsoil, this layer is also dark in color due to the amount of decaying plant and animal matter. Okay, so this is the topsoil class here. This is dark also in color because of the decaying material, which are the leaves, the fruits, the vegetables that we throw, okay, in the ground. So that is the reason why topsoil is dark. Okay. Then the third one class is subsoil. So subsoil, it is lighter in color. So as what you see here, this is like color gray and brown. It is lighter than the humus and the top soil. The fourth one is withered rock fragments or the parent material. Okay, parent material, not many things live down here except for the biggest tree roots. Okay, so you can see here, this is the parent material layer of the soil. So you can see only the roots here, no living things, okay, not many things live down here, but you can only see the roots of a big tree. Okay, then the last part is the bedrock. So bedrock, it is the lowest layer of soil. So the lowest layer of the soil is bedrock. Okay, again, class, soil layers are the humus, the topsoil, subsoil, withered rock fragments or the parent material or the bedrock. Okay, so let's look at the picture. Again, this part here, it is the humus. Next is the topsoil. Third is the subsoil. And the fourth one is the parent material. And the last one is the bedrock. Okay? Next. Okay. Now let's try to familiarize again the soil layers. Again, class. What part of the soil layer is this one that we can see in the ground and it is very dark? What is it? It is the, yes, that is the humus. Okay, so humus I spell H-U-M-U-S, humus. How about the second layer of the soil class? What do you call this part? This is also dark And the reason for that is because of the decaying animals and materials. What is it? That part is the topsoil. So the topsoil, I spell Topsoil. The third part of the soil class is, it is not very dark or it is light color. That is the subsoil. So the subsoil, I spell Subsoil. This is the subsoil, the third layer of the soil. How about the fourth layer of the soil class? This is called the parent material. Okay, so this layer that only roots you can see, that cold is parent material. That layer is called parent material. And the last part is the bedrock. Yes, the bedrock. Okay, the last layer of the soil, and bedrock I spell Bedrock. Again, class, the soil layers are humus, topsoil, subsoil, parent material, and the bedrock. All right, kids. So that's all for this morning. I hope you learned something new today. This is Teacher LM, and I will see you again this afternoon. Goodbye, class, and have a nice day.